Hey guys, hope you're doing good. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another interesting question asked in an Amazon test. So we are given some data here like ID, the ID of the customer and the day or date where they placed the order, and we are asked to find the customer ID who took the longest time between the first and the second order. Okay, for example 101, right? He ordered first on 2nd August, then he ordered for the second time on 5th August, so the time between the two is 3. Similarly, we'll have to find for the other customer IDs also and see who took the longest time. So we see 102 ordered first on 3rd August, then he ordered again on 7th August, so it took like 4 days, right? And then if you see 103, he ordered on 4th, next he ordered on 11th. So actually 103 took the longest time, but let's see how we can solve this using SQL. Okay, so first step what I will do is I'll select everything from the table. Okay, and also I will just give a rank. Okay, for each customer, what the rank will signify what was that order number for them. Okay, so I will obviously partition by customer ID and I will order by order date, right? Like ascending order. Give it an alias name ranking. This is step number 1. So as you see now, 101's first order was 2nd August, second order was 5th August, and so on. Okay, same for 102, 103 and all. 104 I think made only one order. Okay, once we are done with this, next step what we can do, we can put this in a CTE, I would say with A as. Okay, and then let me just select star from A. Okay, where ranking is less than or equal to 2, right? Because we are not bothered about the third order and all in this question. So I'll just do this. So now we will have all this data, right? Only the first 2 orders for all the people. Okay, now how can we find the difference between this and this? So for that, apart from the star, I can bring our lag function into play. So I can say lag of order date again over partition by customer ID. Okay, and order by order date, right? I can call this as lag date. Okay, lag D, something I'll give. Okay, now if I run that, as you see, for 5th we have the previous order which is 2nd, right? Now we can easily do this here only. So I can now also add another column which is basically order date minus this whole thing. Okay, I'll put the whole thing in bracket and let me run this, and now you see, so this date minus this lag date, right? That's what we get. 5th minus 2nd gives us 3. Same way 7th minus 3rd gives us 4, and then here it's 11th minus 4th, so it gives us 7. Okay, so now we got the difference in dates between first and second order. Once this is done, I can put this whole thing into another CT. I can say with B as. Okay, and now I can just select customer ID from B. Okay, and let me give this whole thing an alias name. So let me select the whole thing and I say give it a name difference or diff. Okay, and now I can say order by diff descending, right? So obviously it will show this value first. Let's see what we see. We see 103 is on top, right? And then we can simply say limit 1. Let us say I also want to see the diff. Can just do this, right? Order by diff, and then I basically did a limit 1. So now I get the customer ID who had the longest time between the first and second order. So as you see, we used rank, lag, and then a difference here, and then finally we also leveraged limit to get to this answer. Very interesting question. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you again in another video.